guys, welcome back to another Battle Cats video. I know I have not been uploading mainly due to the fact that I've been busy. So, yeah, I know I said I was going to try to get back on track. I really am trying, guys. So, anyway, without further ado, let's get started. So first what I wanted to do, since Uberfest is on, I want to see if I can get an Uber rare. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this. Come on, Triple G, Triple... Yo! Okay, there we go. First try, there we go. So our best, I did see your live stream along with a kid on YouTube and Allison Elmer. I haven't seen Manic in a little while, but Allison Elmer came back. Grapefruit cat. Alright, there you go, 73, 850. Yeah. Nah! First try? Aren't you new? I haven't seen you. I know who you are. Is this a new Elemental Pixies? What the goofy, bro? Got 2 overs in a row. Not in a row, but... Yeah, this is crazy, bro. This is crazy. Well, we got 3 Uber Super Rares. Let's try this. So we got a new Elemental Pixie, it looks like. That does look like a new Elemental Pixie. Yeah, it is. Takachi. Oh, okay. Trigger one more. Use all. There you go. Now we got some Ubies. First, let's collect our User's Award as we normally should. 3 Super Rare Cats. Upgrade. Oh my gosh. Wait, we got a new Super Rare. Who? Wasn't it that sniper guy? Yeah, I got sick again, guys, so that's why. I didn't even know I had him. I didn't know about you in last time's video. Oh, I forgot about you too. Now in the Ubi rares. She is new, you are new, and Takachi is new. How many Ubers do I have now? Let's take time to count. $17 Ubers, guys. Takachi. I want to see the stats on Takachi, because I might actually use her for aliens. You're aliens too. What about you? No, you're zombies. Alright, guys, let's go in with a couple battles here. Colossal New Year. That sounds fun. Year of the Dragon, level 1. What was last year? Year of the Bunny or something? I got no clue. Oh, last year was Year of the Mouse, because I remember the dog wearing mouse costumes. So last year was Year of the Mouse, I think. New me. 2020. Okay, cat ticket. Sorry about that, guys. Another. Oh yeah, that's right. Roll this. See what we can get. And we got a got another rare cat capsule. So let's see what we can get over here with that. So anyway, let's go back here. Uberfest. Let's go. What do we get? And we just got another one of you. Another thing I've been wanting to do is level cap some cats. There's no normal cat size, huh? No. Rare cats. Can I level cap career? Because I would gladly do that. Okay, I pull up to the action. Okay, I don't want to get copyrighted. Yeah, I can. Okay, I can't upgrade. Career will be level 35. Let's go to missions here. I remember this, guys. We're starting the year all over again. Happy February 1st, guys. This is when we're going to be uploading the most. And I mean it. That's why I'm doing a video on February 1st. So anyway, cat guys. Gotta go collect my kitty food. Welcome to the team. Welcome to the team. Welcome to the team. What are you doing? I want to see your attack. You look pretty crazy. Imagine we pulled a legendary from that, guys. That would be crazy. Oh, that's what you do. How do you attack with the smaller sword? Welcome to the team. You're crazy too. You look very crazy. You're the first one we pulled, actually. Savage blow. Welcome to the team. Let me see your attack, because you look pretty cool. What do you do? Oh, you turned into a block. Okay, that's very interesting. Now, you know what, guys? Let's go ahead and use up our one here. Ding, 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 ding. Let's try this here. Ling, 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 ling. I don't know why I kept doing that. I'm not lazy. I don't know who you are. I should know, though. But I don't know what an Omni-Yogi is. Can you guys explain to me in the comments? Top 5 most seen enemies 2023. Okay, let's do it. Evidently, 5th place. We're also gonna do top 5 most enemies seen here too. See? So Courier Cat is one for me. I'm just gonna be using that same one. Suddenly 4th place. You know, I'm just gonna do whatever I want. Maybe we'll still continue. Bunny rabbit. Can. Oh, and guys, also comment down below if you guys want to see some Clash Royale videos, because I will gladly make Clash Royale. So, yeah, comment down below if you guys do want to see Clash Royale, because Clash Royale is pretty fun, actually. And you guys can give me some tips to improve my deck, and I will be trying a deck that you guys tell me to. So, yeah, let's get started with this. I don't know why I did that. Internally, 3rd place. Oh, it's you! That one I kind of had a little rushy for. Ooh, a printer! Alright, collectively 2nd place. Alright guys, so I started YouTube in 2022, 2023, we've been through 1 year already. This is going to be 2 years in August. Oh, it's you guys. I have seen you guys a lot. Sorry about that. Who's 1st place? It's gonna be Doge, ain't it? Watch it be Doge. Oh. Dark Doge? I guess I was right. Alright guys, so once again we're going to get back into the Clash Royale topic here. But if you guys do want to see me play Clash Royale, I do use cards like Mega Knight, Little Prince, Firecracker, Skarmy. I use a lot of stuff. New year, new me! 40 times? This could be my 41st time. Oh man, the brake on my scooter fell. I gotta fix that now. I remember around this time last year, I had C19. Or was it the year before? No, it wasn't 22. Yeah, it wasn't 22. I had coronavirus. Oh man, I wanted to give me some more cat food. Come on, man, why you do that to me? Aku Citadel, Zombie Citadel, Indian Citadel, Angel Citadel, Black Citadel, Red Citadel, February Gauntlet. Oh, Claire the Maniacs, I remember that. That's a lot of energy. Oh man, you guys are ready? Man, you guys suck. I hope you know that. We need to get ourselves an Uber Super Rare out here. Oh, said it wrong. No, we got Ruru. Oh, where's Octopus? Not Octopus, the Octopus. Where is he when you need him? Here comes Fishy. Okay, next time when we get rid of one of you, I might have to actually come back in here with Octopus. Something like that. With Octopus, he does way bro. Oh man, this cat. I gotta be munching. Alright, here we go. Oh, not you, you stinky! Me forgetting that this guy breathes anything in fat. Should bring Awakened Bahamut into this. I don't really know how Saber's gonna really save the day here. Yeah, I don't really know how Saber's gonna save the day here. And then he comes. Just let my dude hit already. Come on. Oh yeah, it's done. I'm sound effects, sorry, but I'm really sound effects. We're gonna come back in with the same things, but instead of you and you, we're gonna get some. I'm gonna use you for no good reason at all. That's probably gonna make us lose. But I did want Octopus. Not Octopus, but dum diddly dum 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 dum. Wild dance. Take a speed up with me just in case. Alright, so see what that does. Oh, there's a new guy out there. form your cube. Did he just die on us? Boy's weak. Well, reload's kind of quick, so I don't really care. I haven't played this game in a little while, so that's why I didn't know I didn't even know I was fixing it. Where's the Nova? Did they kill him or what? Okay guys, so now that we didn't do absolutely nothing in there, I'm gonna take out you guys. No, I think I'm actually gonna keep that one in. But first, before we do that, where is he? Before we do that, I think I actually do want to keep. Once I level you up, I'll throw you back in. I want to keep her. Takachi. Alright. Let's go to Catch of the Cosmos. Oh, actually, we should work on getting treasures for that. Because she might help, actually. Oh my gosh. Me realizing this is the one with the freaking Calamaria squid. Come on, form your cube. Form your inner cube. There's two of them out there. Can't believe this is an Uber and it still sucks. Really good for no aliens. It's just resistant to warp. Still sucks. Nut. You suck. Man, what normal? Uber super rares. You're not good for. I'll try you, but. People got mad at me for using Subteria last time, so I'm not going to use Subteria. We'll put back in Saber. Now, I guess. Times star, capture 10. Alright. Well, we'll play a couple more event stages, and then that's it. I'm going to end today's video, sadly. Let's play a breaking event. Wait, I could use a triple speed. Also, guys, take a minute to jam out to this music. It sounds good. Okay, enough dancing, guys. Come on, Gabby. Oh man, not you again. Monkeys! I would be good if I Jeez, monkey! Ah! Stupid bear! Okay. To do with that. Alright, well, I guess we could do one more. Still lost that one. I want to do one more where we're actually gonna win. Snow Doges. Hail Doge. Okay, that's not good. What's the boss on here? Why is it so expensive? Oh, I think it's all the Doges, that's why. I barely even see anything. Oh, it looks like I said what. Yes, all the Doges. Get rid of the cardboard fort. There's Saber, I can see her. Oh yeah. There we go. That's a Super Rare 3. Whoa. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. I will see you guys back tomorrow and have a great rest of your day. I don't know why I swapped that up. I'm gonna do it right tomorrow. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. I shall see you guys next time and bye.